taste the air. Impossible, but I will. Pavement cracks beneath the heat. Another summer, bittersweet. The air is thick with what we lost, paying every single cost. Shadows stretch and twist and turn for every lesson we don't learn. Got a spark deep in my soul, fighting just to gain control. Feel the pressure building up, a storm behind my eyes, gonna shatter every doubt, defy the fading skies. Yeah, I'm setting fire to the rain. Watch the heavens ignite again. Burning bridges, breaking chains, setting fire to the rain. Let it fall, let it down with the pain, but I'll make it burn, I'll make it flame. Setting fire to the rain.
From the back 40, dust devil spinning, ain't no quitting, hard living, never giving, jumping, taking what's mine. Every single time out of line, pushing the grind, leaving the past behind. No time to rewind, can't think if I'm mud on my boots, blood on my hands. Understand this ain't no promised land, just a man making a stand with a plan in this damn broken band. Engine roaring, the freight train coming, drumming my own tune under the moon, gonna be soon. A boom, clear in the room.
Feel the pressure building up, a storm behind my eyes, gonna shatter every doubt, defy the fading skies. Yeah, I'm setting fire to the rain. Watch the heavens ignite again. Burning bridges, breaking chains, setting fire to the rain. Let it fall, let it douse the pain, but I'll make it burn, I'll make it flame. Setting fire to the rain. No surrender, no retreat, just a pounding of my feet through the downpour, through the haze, lost within these burning days. Gonna carve my own damn name in this everlasting flame. The current pulls the waters, rise reflections in these tired eyes, but every drop of fuel to seize, I'm bending.